21st of June, and it has all the more significance because the NEET UG re-examination is all set for tomorrow, and it's a big test for the National Testing Agency as well. Because tomorrow, as the NEET re-examination happens and ahead of the big day, which is today, NTA now seems to be leaving nothing to chance. So in a press release that has been issued, the NTA has reaffirmed its commitment to conducting the re-examination with integrity, transparency, and also operational efficiency. But this is where a goof-up has happened. Now, there is report suggesting that there is a family of a NEET aspirant, Abdullah Muhammad Talib, who is now been claiming that he was located a center to give his examination in Abu Dhabi. Imagine, not even in the country, and another development that he doesn't even have a passport. So the NEET examination that is now slated for tomorrow, a Nagpur student was mistakenly allotted an Abu Dhabi examination center for the NEET examination despite selecting centers in Maharashtra. Paras and Rucha both joining us right now. Well, the error, Paras, at this point in time, the NTA is under no condition or not in a position to have any more mistakes on its part.
This is a very major goof-up which has been done by NEET UGT, because if you see the person from Nagpur named Abdullah is claiming that he has opted for 3 cities in Maharashtra for his center of NEET re-examination, but he has got the examination center in Abu Dhabi. We will not refuse that out of the country there may be the centers which is allocated, but it should be asked by the candidate. Then after NEET UGT tries to give the exam center out of the country, but in this very case there were no city was opted or no out of country was opted by this very person named Abdullah, who is claiming that he has received the examining center in Abu Dhabi. So right now he has mailed the NEET examine authorities about this entire
case. He doesn't even have a student a passport as far as the student which is slated to appear for the re-examination tomorrow, and I believe that Shefali is also joining us live right now. But before that, let's play out the reaction that is coming from the father's side of the NEET aspirant, which, it has been taken up with the NTA, which seems to have acknowledged that this was a technical glitch and has promised a revised admit card.
एडमिट कार्ड डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा था. कल 4 बजे वो डाउनलोड हुआ. डाउनलोड होने के बाद में हमने जो देखे, उसको जो सेंटर मिला है वो अबू धाबी लिखा था, अबू धाबी की स्कूल में. हम लोग बहुत शौक में आ गए कि हमने तो दिया नहीं ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन उनको. फिर उसको हमने अप्रोच किया, हेल्पलाइन पर बात की, तो उन्होंने हमको बताया कि तुम हमारी वेबसाइट पर मेल करो. फिर वेबसाइट उन्होंने भेजा, फिर हमने उनको मेल किया. मेल करने के बाद में उनका फ़ोन आया कि हम सैटरडे को 4 बजे तक आपको नया एडमिट कार्ड इशू करते हैं.
ऑप्शन देने होते हैं, आपने कौन से ऑप्शन दिए थे?
हमने 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट के ऑप्शन दिए थे, लेकिन अब हमारी ऐसी डिमांड है कि उसको नागपुर ही दिया जाए. बहुत शौक में है, कल बहुत रोया उसने, और वो नहीं चाह रहा था कि एग्ज़ाम देना. उसकी मम्मी उसको कन्विंस कर रही है. देखो, अगर वो कन्विंस हो जाता है तो कल अपियर करेंगे, होगा एग्ज़ाम में. अब अल्लाह जाने क्या होने वाला है कल का. वो अंडर 18 होने.
Well, naturally, as far as the students are concerned, they are under, deep stress. And the NTA DJ has also spoken with Times Now on the Nagpur candidate getting an Abu Dhabi center, and the city intimation for all the candidates was on the 7th, and the admit cards that were issued on the 14th. And in this case, NTA seems to be investigating as to how a candidate got an Abu Dhabi center. And the NTA, meanwhile, has also spoken with the candidate. So let's connect with Shefali on this. Shefali, the student is and his family is very distressed, especially as a day only remains before the examination. Now that he's been allotted a center during this previous examination, and that was in Nagpur, this seems to be a glitch, an avoidable glitch on part of the NTA.
Right. NTA DG has spoken on this matter, stating that we are in touch with the candidate and has assured that the issue will be resolved. Not just that, they are also saying that it's not clear from where the mistake has happened, if it is an NTA's fault, or if because the student also could have downloaded the admit card last moment where this discrepancy has aroused. So now they are saying that even though investigation will take time, they will first assure that the candidate first appears for the re-examination. That is the utmost priority, and have assured that the candidate will be given Nagpur as its center. While saying that, he also mentioned that the admit card was already issued on 14th of June this month, and said that the student had ample amount of time for them to download the admit card, but there are certain discrepancies which has aroused, and they will investigate the matter.
Have to investigate the matter further, because on part of the NTA, it is under no position for holding any goof-ups, and already students are under a lot of stress, and rightly so, as far as the first examination that they had given in the first week of May, that was suspended because of the paper leaks. Thank you very much for the moment, Paras, and also Shefali for joining in. But as far as the retest is concerned, the centers which has now been fortified completely. So what has now been said across 551 cities is where nearly 23 lakh aspirants will be appearing, with 674 city coordinators are also monitoring very closely, and there are over 6,000 independent NEET observers that are being deployed, with over 2 lakh personnel that would be ensuring that a fair test takes place tomorrow. Now, on part of this discrepancy in particular, the NTA, which is now clarified that the issue regarding a Nagpur-based student being allotted an examination center in Abu Dhabi, this issue has been resolved, and also saying that this discrepancy has been rectified and the student has been assigned a center in their home city. However, it is coming in from their family that they are trying to convince the student himself to go ahead and give the examination if this issue right now has been resolved. But let's also talk about the mock drills that are also being conducted nationwide. And this came in the press release that was released on the part of the NTA, because they want to show the kind of preparations. However, they had very little time before the 3rd of May suspension of the paper that had happened, and the subsequent leak. Because, Shefali, that means, when it comes to these mock drills that have now been said, they have apparently now begun across the centers.
Right, mock drill is currently going on across the nation, wherever the centers are. Around 5,500 centers are there where mock drill is being conducted to ensure, to assess the preparedness ahead of NEET UG re-examination, which will be held tomorrow on 21st of June. So all the officials, the observers have arrived at these centers, and preparation like installation of CCTV, putting chairs and other scenarios are being taken care of, where all these, so that the students, when they arrive, they don't go through any hassle. The process is very smooth when they come for examination. They don't go through any more further problem when they come for examination. So this is the mock drill which happens every time the exam happens on 3rd of May, when the original NEET exam was held. Before that as well, the mock drill was conducted, and same is being conducted today before the re-examination of NEET UG.
All right. And, defense forces that have also been deployed, even when it comes to states that have been asked to assist as far as the transportation of the examination material is concerned. So a lot is now going into to ensure that there is no flaws, that there is no major controversy, and definitely no paper leak that happens tomorrow. Thank you very much, Shefali, for joining us here on the broadcast.